Hello, guys. So, another day with Coach Wilfred Asukwa. You guys know I am a capacity builder. I am also the founder of Zit Worldwide, a virtual coaching platform. I also teach several IT certifications to get you up to speed in making six figure. And I will also coach you to transition you from minimum wage to six figure or from menial job to a six figure space, especially in the tech space. Are you ready? Are you interested? Check the links below this video and you can reach out to us at any given time. Most importantly, if you're not part of this community and this is your first time of seeing us, please don't forget to use the red subscribe button to join this community. So today, I'm going to be talking to you about making six figure in the tech space, and that would demand you to learn, unlearn, and relearn something new. So you see, in Africa, a lot of us did not grow up learning computer. I must confess to you, as of today, we are still mobile-driven economy. Mobile-driven economy, by that, I mean, not very many people have laptop. Not very many young people or families have a desktop like I do on my table in their homes. Not very many people could afford to have Wi-Fi to run their daily, operations from their homes because it's still very expensive. So you find out that when significant amount of young people relocate to foreign country, they still struggle to get into adapting to the use of technology or the use of technical skills to either run their business or do their daily operations or help themselves to better get things done. So they still struggle over a lot of things. Now this is 2024. Are you still going to remain in the millennial age when internet, computer was not the in thing? No, there should be a paradigm shift in your world or in your life. Now, take for example, I studied applied chemistry in the Polytechnic. I mean, introduction to computer was one of the courses I took. Did I get to use the computer? No, I was only shown a blue screen on one desktop that almost 30 to 50 of us were allowed to just view. And then upon graduation, the question is, how were you going to learn the computer? Yes, there were computer schools where you go to learn or train on desktop publishing, but it was quite expensive. Some of us, less privileged children, we couldn't afford such an expensive adventure. So what did we do? We decided to leverage the cafe to go learn tech by learning the basic use of the system and possibly begin to use like the Microsoft, the Excel to do one or two things, and then we got used to it. So you find out that, like myself, I've never been to no computer school, and I just learned computer just by basically using it day to day and creating time and maximizing every given opportunity to learn the computer. So in today's world, in 2024, tech is the in thing. A lot of people are transitioning to tech. I live off tech. I work in the tech space and I studied applied chemistry and I came to the US to train as a pilot. So what are you waiting for? All you need to do is to learn something new in the tech system. And I'm always encouraging everyone, learn one skill set in tech. I don't care if you studied botany, if you studied accounting, if you studied zoology, if you studied chemistry, you need to learn one tech skills. Sometimes you might have to unlearn some of the old things that you have used or known before. Sometimes your career that you were using or you were used to before, you feel like that's all to it, but check it out. Are you really making good money that should sustain you? Or why don't you consider to, Relearn something new in the tech system as your second gig to have another extra stream of income. So you can see that you can learn, unlearn, and relearn something new somewhere in the tech space. I'm used to hearing, oh, I didn't do computer. I don't have a background in computer. I don't have a background on coding. I don't have a background on programming. Not all tech space is coding or programming. I am not coding. I am not writing programs. I am working with the tech team and ensuring that their workflow is quite effective. There is a space, there is something that you can do in the tech space that will earn you money. So what are you waiting for? Why are you holding back? Why are you pushing back? I want you to come to the tech space and maximize the opportunity in the tech space to make some good money. And that's one of the things I do here in Zip Worldwide. I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity. This is 2024. A lot of people are cashing out and they are balling, and I don't want you to miss out. You have several tech opportunity in this space. I have shared several space in some of my videos. I'm sure you can, go through some of my old videos. You will find them. All you need to do is learn something new or unlearn something you've learned before, and then possibly relearn some of the new things that you're going to find out. And I can guarantee you, you will not regret it. Again, I want to see you succeed. I want to see you get busy with your hands in 2024. Enough of living in the old narrative of waiting for miracles to happen. Miracles don't happen. You make the miracle happen. See you all at the top, because the bottom is crowded.